Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 23rd of November. The day after US Thanksgiving usually encounters a flood in volume in the retail sales market as many retailers reduce their prices, enticing customers to kick off their Christmas shopping season. This could be evident in the economic markets also, as the low volume of yesterday's trading sessions are historically higher today. Meanwhile, European Union officials are still in talks on the budget plan for 2014 to 2020. Hints of opposition have been seen by British Prime Minister David Cameron, stating that he will be negotiating very hard for a good deal for Britain's taxpayers. German Chancellor Merkel has also voiced concerns about European spending and that Europe should instead be consolidating. The final budget plan is expected to be released at some point today, but as we have seen before, not everything is always as expected. Expectations on a definite deal for Greece on Monday continues to support the euro against the US dollar. The pair ended the day yesterday with a slight gain of 0.02%. A higher push above the 129 with targets of 129.20 is expected as risk appetite remains in the markets. However, any bad news from the Eurozone and its ministers may change many investors' minds. Gold ended the day almost as it started, opening at 1730.22 and closing the day slightly lower at 1729.94. The 1735 level remains at the first resistance and 1722 the first support. Oil continues to be volatile as Middle East tensions remain at the forefront. Oil declined yesterday with a 0.63% daily fall. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 128.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 128.50. The dollar-yen pivot point at 82.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 82.60. The Aussie-dollar pivot point at 103.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.70. The sterling-dollar pivot point at 159.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 159.55. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 0.9950 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9950. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 88 with a preference to enter into short positions at 88. The gold pivot point is at 1722 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1722. The silver pivot point is at 32.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32.85. The US 500 is at 1380 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1380. And the UK 100 is at 5840 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5840. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Germany, we have the IFO Business Climate forecast to decrease to 99.5. And in Canada, we have the Consumer Price Index forecast to fall to 0.1%. Our interesting pair of the day is the euro sterling. We saw the euro sustained its power against the Great British Pound yesterday. Out of 4 consecutive days of gains, yesterday saw the biggest surge in strength for the euro, reaching a 3-week high of 0.8085. It's hard to believe that just 2 weeks ago, the sterling had the euro against the ropes, reaching a low of 0.7975 on the 8th of November. The Thanksgiving US bank holiday yesterday could have been a key blow in this currency's pair battle as investors shifted volumes away from the non-trading US and focused on the European nations. Yesterday's high of 0.8085 has become a resistance and is expected to be tested again today. Only a fallback below 0.8055 may give the sterling the ability to dodge the punches for a while. It's been your daily outlook for the 23rd of November. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.